In this video, we're unlocking the secrets of CPA offers and mastering the social media game. I'll show you exactly how I made several passive income streams with KeyP marketing. You learn my secrets how I pushed my KeyP offers on several social media accounts. I'll show you exactly how to automate your social media accounts and get a quick reach. And the best part? You can start after this with your own CPAgrip business. Ready to level up? Let's jump right in. Before we start, I would like to point out again that earning money on the internet works 100%. You have to take the time and the patience to reach your goal. Talked enough, strap in, hit that like button, and let's embark on this electrifying journey together. First up, let's talk about CPAgrip. It's not just any platform. It's the premier destination for affiliate marketing magic. Go to keepagrip.com and start with a free account. With top offers and payouts that'll make your jaw drop. It's a treasure trove for marketers like us. But remember, it's all about picking the right offers. At that time, it was still very difficult to generate KPA leads in a country if you didn't speak this language. Today, artificial intelligence and GP chat make it possible to generate passive income in these countries, even though you don't speak the language. Keep an eye on those conversion rates and know your audience. I'll show you later exactly what I mean by that. You must also keep an eye on the promotion of other users. If this is high and in demand, that can be a significant point. Got your golden offers? But that's just the beginning. Picture this, the vast landscape of social media waiting for you to take center stage. BUT, like every stage, there are rules. Direct links getting the cold shoulder on some platforms. Your posts and comments will be deleted with the link, and soon your profile too. But no worries, we've got the ultimate guide to dance around those hurdles. Now, let's talk about a game changer, Tailwind. If it hasn't crossed your radar yet, you're in for a treat. Beyond mere scheduling, Tailwind is your secret weapon to transform your social media presence and the PCDR assistance. But in this video, we will only deal with Tailwind's smart bio links. Smart.b imagine one link, opening doors to multiple worlds. A dream for showcasing those sepia gems. Here we can let our creativity run free and add 5-10 CPA offers. But not too many offers at once. You don't want to confuse the user. My golden formula for links in a bio link is 1x social media link each one, x social media link each. 3 XPP offers, and a landing page for collecting email addresses. But everyone should make their own experience here. Hold on, there's a twist in our tale. If Tailwind doesn't resonate with your vibe, we've got another ace up our sleeve. Let's sculpt a landing page so captivating, it's almost hypnotic. Visualized clean designs, seamless mobile experiences, and an aura that's irresistible. We are talking about a landing page and writing email addresses from there that could be relevant for further future KPA offers. This method can take a long time because you have to gain the trust of the person first. But if you have an email list with over 100K followers, there is a lot going on with CPA marketing. The icing on the cake, a call to action that beckons, and an email strategy that nurtures and grows your tribe. However, both methods work excellently and both can be used profitably. For the landing page itself, I use Systeme.io because the account is free and you can collect 1,000 emails before you have to switch to Propro. A quick detour back to Tailwind. Dive beneath the surface and you'll uncover treasures galore. From scheduling masterclasses to analytics deep dives, and a community that's buzzing with energy, Tailwind is a universe in itself. A quick detour back to Tailwind. We have dozens of opportunities here. From masterclass planning to analysis, deep dives, and an energetic community, Tailwind is a universe unto itself. As I mentioned before, we are concentrating on the smart bio area. From here, we can add our links with descriptions and even embed videos directly on the page. Up here, we have the exact analytics of the respective link, clicks and views, as well as direct visits to the page. Feeling ambitious? Let's set our sights on the big players: TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest. Each platform, a realm of endless possibilities. The mantra? Stay ahead of the curve. Build a brand that's unforgettable and witness your digital empire flourish. By now, everyone should be aware that short-form content is all the rage on all social media. Whether it's TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Reels, or Idea Pins, the list is endless. By now, everyone should be aware that short-form content is all the rage on all social media. Whether it's TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Reels, or Idea Pins, the list is endless. That's why you should take the chance and join the short-form community. Today, short-form videos no longer produce witchcraft. With simple tools like Canva or Pictory, we can create viral content in a few hours. But more on that at the end. However, this process can become tedious over time. In any case, stay tuned to the end here. I will show you how you can automate your social media accounts. Next, we need a trending name and trending topics for general CPA offers. For this, we take ChatGPT and first ask Friendly which trendy names would be best for CPA products, and then which topics for CPA offers are most in demand. And here it is. After we find a catchy name, we got an idea to make a trending video about finance tips that no one knew before. The idea behind it is simple. With a finance channel, you have better CPA offers like free credit card insurance or loans where the CPA demand is very high. After we found a name and a video topic for almost all CPP products, thanks to ChatGPT, it was time to create content so that our profile was clicked. Lights, camera, action. Enter the enchanting world of content creation. With Pictory, an AI-supported software is used to create and add your own stock videos to match the script. With Canva, you're not just creating, you're storytelling. In today's example, I use Canva because it's more user-friendly. First, we create a new and empty video template. The Pro version of Canva, you can access dozens of templates or stock videos. I can highly recommend this monthly investment to you. We fixed here the video in the background and insert a text with the first quote from ChatGPT. And voila, the first captivating scene is complete. Now do that with the other quotes, and you'll get quickly 3-5 shorts. Enhance your tales with premium stock visuals, and you've got magic at your fingertips. And for that dash of intrigue, let's whip up some finance tips so fresh, your audience will be left craving more. For the video creation of short-form content, I use two tools depending on the niche. As we approach our crescendo, let's talk automation. Fives with repurpose.io. It's like having a magic wand. First, you need to sign in with a free account. After you have confirmed your email address, you must link your previously created social media accounts. For Instagram and Pinterest, you need a business account. After that, you're able to set your content, and with one click, you send it to all your social media accounts. Just sit and watch as your digital symphony plays out. It's all about strategizing, analyzing, refining, and reigning supreme. And there we are, at the end of our epic saga. Your roadmap to digital dominance. Don't forget that making money online takes time. If you want to learn more about automated bots, feel free to visit profitatools.com. These bots automate my business every day. Hungry for more adventures? Smash that like button, spread the word, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell icon, and you'll always be in the loop. Until our next escapade, keep soaring in the digital skies and stay legendary.